3, 2, 1.
What is so old it should be new again? The answer is D. Dark matter. Sodium and chloride ions have equal, but what charges? The answer is D. Opposite. What part of a plant needs sunlight to do its job? The answer is C. Leaf. Ice caves are large caverns filled with ice. The Dachstein Giant Ice Cave is located in which country? The answer is B. Austria. Which genus of plants does catnip belong to? The answer is D. Nepeta. Which of these Harry Potter characters is not a member of the DA? The answer is B. Malfoy. What do you use to count and solve math problems? The answer is A. Calculator. What is the smallest unit of current? The answer is B. Coulomb. Where are all hormones secreted into before entering the circulatory system? The answer is B. Interstitial fluid. What language was used as a lingua franca in Africa for centuries? The answer is C. Swahili. Which model best illustrates the wave property that enables scientists to explore Earth's interior using seismic waves? The answer is B. Shining a light through a prism. Which item is used to hold a man's tie in place? The answer is A. Clip. The Dead Sea is a part of which ocean? The answer is C. Atlantic. Which war ended in 1945 with the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? The answer is B. World War II. What kitchen item cooks food in boiling water? The answer is C. Steamer. According to the Bible, where was Jesus Christ born? The answer is B. Bethlehem. What has a negative impact on photosynthesis? The answer is C. Gloom. Which of these statements about cirrus clouds is true? The answer is C. They indicate fair weather. In J.R.R. Tolkien's Middle-earth stories, which wizard gets promoted from the gray to the white? The answer is D. Gandalf. Who was the founder of Sikhism? The answer is D. Nanak Dev. The Le Mans is a famous race for what kind of vehicle? The answer is A. Car. What is a container for storing food in the refrigerator or freezer? The answer is B. Tupperware. What process, which results because of great pressure at the center of a star, causes stars to shine? The answer is D. Nuclear fusion. Why is there very little evaporation in the boreal forests? The answer is D. Temperature is too cold. Which building is known as the Crystal Palace of modern art? The answer is A. Guggenheim Museum Bilbao. Which is not a part of the Seven Summits? The answer is D. Everest. Which capital city is known as the City of Lights? The answer is A. Paris. Which mechanism helps carbon to cycle from the atmosphere to living organisms? The answer is C. Photosynthesis. What is the favorite hobby of Larry David, the star of sitcom Curb Your Enthusiasm? The answer is A. Golf. In what movie does Harry Potter first learn about Horcruxes? The answer is D. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Who is known for the two-factor theory of emotion? The answer is B. James. What part of skin helps keep people warm? The answer is C. Hairs. What kind of fossils are excellent markers for correlating the ages of sedimentary rocks? The answer is C. Forum. What is the tall, narrow piece of furniture where dishes are kept called? The answer is C. Sideboard. How many wind giants are there in the book The Never-Ending Story? The answer is C. 4. Which two objects are likely to be magnetic? The answer is B. A credit card and the register. What is the result of raising a number to the power of 0? The answer is A. Power 0 rule. What is the name of the first person to walk on the moon? The answer is A. Neil Armstrong. If a television stayed on for a prolonged period, what kind of energy might be a byproduct? The answer is B. It will produce warmth. Which language family does English belong to? The answer is C, Germanic. Which theory explains the expansion of the universe? The answer is B, relativity theory. Chitin is a substance that is found in what part of animals like beetles and lobsters? The answer is A, shell. What is the largest living cat species? The answer is C, leopard. Which berry gives raspberry vinegar its flavor? The answer is B, raspberries. When I take action, am I going to fire a $2 million missile at a $10 empty tent and hit a camel in the butt? It's going to be decisive. Who said it? The answer is A, George W. Bush. Which element has the symbol Fe on the periodic table and is a key component of steel? The answer is A, iron. Which clothing item is commonly called blue jeans? The answer is C, tuxedo. Which of these plays were written by Arthur Miller? The answer is C, The Crucible and Death of a Salesman. Which set of elements contains only metals? The answer is C, sodium, chromium, copper. Which kitchen item is used to open tin cans?